'Tis the day of Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that 2020 soon would not be there. When out on the lawn there arose such a clatter, I stayed in bed, pretend nothing was the matter. With great sadness and pain, I knew in a moment it must be my stupid ex again. When, what to do my wondering eyes should appear, but a small envelope that says, "Please open me, my dear." What can it be? What does it say? Stay tuned and then you will see. Today's video was made possible by Alex Bryant. Thank you for your generous patronage. If you would like to see me make more wacky breakup videos like this, please consider supporting me on Patreon. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. As always, I'm available for coaching at healingafterbreakup.com. Now let's read the letter together. My dearest ex, how are you? I'm sorry for reaching out to you like this, but I know the holidays can be a especially hard time for you to be alone. Please forgive me for the intrusion. As this year comes to an end, I can't help but reflect back on our relationship and the breakup. Never in a million years would I thought that we won't be celebrating Christmas together. Oh, how I miss watching you light up when you open the presents I gave you or stealing kisses from you under the mistletoe. If I would have known that last Christmas was our last, I would have savored these moments a little bit longer. Now, they can only exist in my memories. In case you're wondering, yes, I do think of you often and miss you terribly, but my ego and pride kept me from contacting you, worrying whether you would want to talk to me again. I know I hurt you deeply. I hurt you from the way I broke up with you, coldly, callously, without any regards for your feelings. I hurt you when I blocked you on social media and cut you out of my life. I hurt you when I abandoned you when you needed me the most. I hurt you when I treated you badly, ignored and neglected your needs and feelings during our relationship and after our breakup. I hurt you when I left without a proper goodbye or give you the closure that you need. I hurt you when I lied to you, betrayed your trust, and broke my promise to love you forever and always be there for you. This is not an exhaustive list, but a short one that I came to realize the impact of my selfish actions and behaviors. I do not ask for your forgiveness. There was no excuse for what I did, and I take full responsibility for them. They are my own problems to deal with, and it's not your fault, nor your responsibility to fix me. I'm so sorry for putting that burden on you and didn't see this sooner. I'm sorry for blaming you for my unresolved trauma and issues. I'm sorry I couldn't be the partner that you needed or wanted. I failed you, and I failed us. I'm sorry you had to put up with me and how I took you and your love for granted. I'm sorry I didn't make you feel loved, appreciated, supported, or understood. I'm sorry that I made you feel like you didn't matter to me. I'm sorry I lacked the courage, communication skills, and character to stay and work things out with you. You're an amazing and wonderful person that deserves way more than what I could give you. I did love you, and our love was real. But I could only give you to the extent that I give myself, which wasn't very much. Your love was enough. In fact, it was more than enough, but I couldn't receive it through my own brokenness. I'm sorry you wasted your love on the wrong person. If I was the right person, I would have stayed. Despite our ups and downs, I feel so blessed to have known you, loved by you, and be cared by you. I will always take that with me, and you will always be in my heart. Thank you for all the sweet memories and life lessons that I will always remember. Though as much as I wish we were each other's forever, life has other plans that none of us can control. I hope you can find some comfort and closure from this letter. The things that I wish I had said at the time but didn't. I wish you only the very best. Health, happiness, and love. You deserve it all. Humbly yours, the X.